In a Webi document, you can insert formulas and variables, and formulas are created in a formula editor. Now, to add a formula, report should be opened in the design mode. Let us now go to the SAP System and see how to create formulas and new variables.
Let's see how we can create the formulas and variables in Webi report. So, I will go to the Launchpad where I have this report in which I have year, quarter, month and the sales revenue. So what is the use of creating the formula or the variable? Let's say if I want to do any custom calculations which are not automatically handled at the database or at the universe level, and I want to do those calculations at the Webi report level. In that case, I have to use the make formulas and the variables in Webi report. So what is the difference between my formula and the variable that I will see in this video? First of all, let's see how we can create a formula. Let's insert a column into this table. Now, if I want to create a formula here, what I will do? I will just click on this FX, which will open up my formula editor. I want to multiply the value of my sales revenue by 10. I can validate my formula using this tick mark and then I can click on OK. I can see that I have all the values of my sales revenue multiplied by 10 in this case, and this is my formula. I can give the name to the header, formula 1. I can validate and I can show it here. So how I have created the formula is I can go to this FX. First of all, we have the available objects. I can make the use of variables which are already existing into my report for the formula or the variable. Then we have all these functions available which I can use in my formula. So we have numeric, we have aggregates, we have character. After that, we have the data provider functions, we have date and time functions, document, logical, miscellaneous, numeric, and the set functions. Then we have all these different operators available to us. So we can make use of all these functions and operators while creating a formula. Now, if I have created this formula, I cannot reuse it. Why? Because I have created it for this particular column only. Now, let's say if I have a requirement wherein I have to use the same calculation across the multiple reports into my Webi document. In that case, I should create a variable instead of a formula. So my formula is not reusable whereas my variable is. So how I can create a variable? If I go to the available objects here, I have this variables folder available to me. If I right click, I have this option of new variable. Here I can give the name to the variable. I have to set up the qualification, whether it's dimension, measure or a detail. After that, I have to give the formula here. So this is the similar window which we have seen at the time of creating the formula. So the same way we can create the calculation which I want to do here, and then we can validate it and then we can click on OK. So now we can see that we have this variable 1 available under my variables. So I have to just change this qualification from dimension to the measure value because it's a calculation. And after that, we can simply drag this into our table, into this table. So now we have this formula and this variable. But the difference between the two is that my formula is not reusable whereas my variable is. Now if I go to my second report which is there, I can see that I cannot make any use of that formula which I have created in the report 1. But definitely I can reuse this variable which I have created into my report. I can simply drag it and add it to the table. So the difference between your formula and the variable is you can you can use the variable across all the reports of your document, whereas you cannot use the formula across all the different reports of your Webi document. So now if you want to create a copy of this variable, you can simply right click. You can either edit it, you can rename it, you can copy it, and you can remove it. So if you create the copy, it will create a copy of it, and then you can use it here. So if you right click here, you can create the copy. You can also remove it. If I click on this remove, it will remove the variable, and automatically my column value is also gone. So this is how you can create the variables and formulas in the Webi report. Thank you.